First of all, congratulations. Nancy has shared with me what you've been doing over the last few years, and it's truly impressive. Year after year, you continue to put up exceptional sales results. And I'm so excited about the chance to work with you in helping you put together the ZO Sales and Sales Coaching Playbook. Hi, my name is Bob Coakley, and I'm with a company called Upgrade Performance. We partner with world-class organizations like ZO to help them capture the magic and put it into a team playbook that we can all use so we can continue to win each and every day, each and every week, month, and year. Our company lasers in on the human interaction. We believe that people hate to be sold, but they love to buy. So it's that reason we focus on creating buying conversations and working with you to identify those things that you do so people feel compelled and desire to buy. And we fundamentally believe that when you create great and positive experiences, a lot of great things happen, including increased sales. There are two fundamental point of contacts that we'll be focusing on. We believe when you can maintain and improve the coaching conversations that are happening between you and leadership on strategy sessions, on how you build joint business plans and how you overcome obstacles that are getting in your way to meet your goals. Those conversations are super critical, as well as those conversations you have with your customers. Everything from developing a joint business plan through quarterly meetings and those regular maintenance visits where you're following up on the plan and holding people accountable to what they agree to. But at the end of the day, when we can improve our conversations, we believe it's a competitive advantage. So, what have I been charged to do? I've been charged to collect all these best practices, those things that you've been doing, and put it into the ZO Sales Playbook. Now, in order to do that, I need your help. I don't come to the dance here with my set of beliefs and a program that we're going to tell you to use. We just don't believe that works. We are all about extreme customization. And we found by interviewing people from the team and gathering what they do that works, that has delivered results in the past, we then capture that. We're kind of like your ghostwriter. We collect all that information and put it into a playbook, something that all of us, whether we're new or experienced, can reference this playbook so we can always focus on executing on the plays that we know that work. Now, we know they work because you're giving them to me and you tell me that they work. So we need to collect that list of ideas. So how do we do that? There's a questionnaire that I put together. And when you take a look at it, I want you to just take a deep breath. What I've done is broken down the different parts of the sales process that I've identified based on my initial interviews. I'm not saying it's completely right. I need your help. And when you go through this list, it might look a little bit overwhelming because I have a lot of questions. But what I'd like you to do is, first of all, review the entire list. Don't start in on it. Review it and identify those, 3, 4, or 5 topics, or 2 or 3 if that's what really catches your attention. The ones that you really have a lot of conviction about. The ones like, I've got some ideas here. I have some things that I know that have worked. I got to share them. So don't feel like you have to do every single question. Get those ones down that you really can own and can share me some great information with me. Okay? And just put in, it doesn't have to look pretty or, just a bunch of comments, one-liners, bullet points, whatever. I'm going to collect this from several people on the team, and then that's where I'll refine it and put this together in that nice package called the Sales Playbook. In addition to that, if there are any relevant documents or emails or things that you use that would be useful for me to have, please email those to me. And that way I can capture those and work on those, and if it makes sense, include them in the playbook. So we'd love to have you take a look at this, and if it is possible, and I know you've got a lot on your plate, but if it's possible that you could have it completed or at least partially completed by the end of the week, Friday, that would be fantastic. If you need the weekend to work on it, that's fine. We'll begin working on this stuff and refining it. But if you could get a little bit of a jump on it, and again, capture those 2, 3, 4 topics that you really kind of own and you can share some great ideas on. If you have any questions, let me know. But I'm excited about working with you, the team, and putting this program together so we can continue to win year after year. My name's Bob Coakley, and I can't wait to be working with you all.